What does bug advocacy involves? So bug advocacy primarily involves presenting the bug in its strongest honest light, which means the bug should reflect the clear message what's going on, what's the clear damage that the bug can cause. It should be in a neutral language, it should not hurt the sentiments of other people, it should be strong but it should be honest and clear. It should connect the bug with the concerns of various stakeholders. When we were going through the checklist, I talked about various stakeholders. Some were internal, some were external, like the developer, the product owner, the customer, the internal customer, the external customer, the sales team, the marketing team. Does our bug also affect them? Can it have an impact on them also? So that connection, bringing that connection to light, is also a part of bug advocacy. And part three is enabling a good decision making for the long term positive outcome of our project, product quality, and efficient decision making. So that's also in the lines of what the purpose of testing is, to, I mean, provide information. And bug reports are another way of providing information so that the stakeholders can make a well informed decision.